So I just seen this video. Shout out to my fam, Awelechim at Awelechim on TikTok. She's always sending me nice stuff. She's very pro African liberation. So if you give her a follow, that would be nice. So I just seen this video, and today my book was released. Yeah, my book is Igomo 101, but it's actually a secret weapon. It's meant to attack Christianity, religion in Africa. That was the purpose of my book. I didn't write it to teach you how to go more. No, my purpose. I'm not fucking joking with you guys. My purpose is to torpedo the generator room of the new colonialist, which is religion. And that book is my nuclear weapon. So I published it. It came out today. It's currently on Kindle KDP, and that's Amazon KDP. It's on seller. But if you can get me publishing, that would be nice. So book came out today, and I'm seeing this shit now. And just look at it. I don't have to say much. Imani Ifeje, my documents. For I'm hanging up documents. In any just in what you be the screen and I can open up a log. Go serious. Onweloka fana ko Peter Obi who is the newborn baby today with the completely innocent. Put anybody in that office, the only assurance that you have that this individual will not kill us and become a CIA bitch, put me in the office. The only assurance you have is that I go Mwalugi. If I know Mwalugi for each of the more way your community gets, only fenna come isi Bible ebunu go madu. When you go in for Bible, have you ever seen the Holy Bible? Somebody swore, and if I'm guilty, then let this Bible kill me. Are you foolish? Don't you have sense? Try and with your phone now. Come from my no try with your phone. Make I bring ume. Make I bring one random ukute now for the world. Obviously, this is not what the president should do. They should come to an offer of each community or each state, a coalition of offer. Aibia can be Israel. Ayebute, okute, 12 okute, 36 okute. Sino ife each of the community in Anambra wekota. Sino mone cheko obudefa, mondi chefa meko cheko obudefa. No nyawa dino okuta. Umoji watanke fo gide watanke fo onye obune watanke fo ebuko yon. Asi ndị ichie na-enu nnekwu aweli na aligba, na-enu nnewu aweli na aligba, na-enu nnefi aweli na aligba n'ọsọ okwuta na onye ọbụla ji ewe nwe iyi na ọya echekwa Anambra steeti na enye vote on fọkwa up okwuta akụwa ya isi nwa niile nọ n'ebe a ha jide nwa ya na-egbusisi nwa ofu yọta ọbọdụ ofu na udo bata nyachi afa niile na ofu nje alacha afa alacha maka na ọ bụla ịnọdụ as president ịlapụ ma as governor ịlapụ ife bata steeti gị ebe ime ife ga-eme dị insecurity ịlapịa maka ka wee vote oge senator echi make the Hausa people know say they no go vote for you. Lapụ ndị na-egbusi ndị Hausa said people wey dey even kill the Hausa themselves. But because of public sentiment, the way they go manipulate and say you pursue or say you do one thing. I will put more. I will put mbume. Umoji mwenkefa. Anyway, ebiakita asi umoji kemo umoji enye kiwe nwa yi onwe mo umoji nine kwa korita abo ni ijile nwa yi. Ayes ode ebo. Ana odele ebo aya adili di ofu. Enwe ebo oji. Nwa aja ani umoji, nwa odu umoji. Ani ene liko. Oga, you want to be governor of Anambra State, you can swear. If you turn your back on the death of even one, on the welfare of even one citizen of Anambra State, because my ancestors in Umoji did not, I'm even one citizen of Umoji, because my ancestors did not make Odume for me for somebody to pull up from fucking Niger or whatever and pull up and come and touch me in Anambra and all of them did not fall. My ancestors did not make Udume for that. My ancestors were too intelligent and too energy efficient for that. Had they been more sinner, with their mandelo. In fact, I'm sure I got war echi. Mwan we buru mu jail ahead of me. I no fit need risk myself. So any governor we know if you do that thing. No point voting on that person. You understand? No point for me voting on that person because say him be member of Redeemed Christian fucking Church of God or Redeemed Christian Church of Fuck. Say him be member of the Redeemed Christian Church of Fuck no mean shit to me. It get me. It no fucking mean anything to me. It does not mean shit. It no tie that thing. Say him go repair. Say him no go sell. Say him no go betray me. One I told him give vote to me betray him. Now. Kefi didn't do him now. Kefi didn't do him. Onyala na achọ mwanya ni aga akonu beach. Onyala na achọ mwanya ni aga akonu. Kefi dị ndụ eme. Ntuli vote mi na betray. So what my book says essentially is that as far as long as we remain in a situation where I cannot swear my governor in with more, I cannot do business with you if it's not based on my Udo self. Let me not even go far to Udo, my house. I cannot do business with you. I'll come go swear governor in with Bible. Olo Jonesy, no katan 12 vote. No katamwane, Jepweba, 12 vote. Ka, Ofunde aku, Guline, mi fende aku, will put our bear. No katan jet 12 vote. Kefa Basalum. Come on, each all can vote to Olugi, Ebia Bem, Ibia Nobim, Nyagi Ofo, Makachuku. Okay, Quinsu. If all qua up, Mommy, Lisi, a blotter. Talk less of Molly, Udume. If you go do police or Udume, waiting concern police and Udume. Now today Udume start to be a legal date where we say, if you fuck up. Udume no be bitch. There want people like that wait to am na more because I see am for dream. They not call me. Say they to am na more. Now we I can't see say more they pursue me. Now I can't call those people. Udume no go gree that kind of thing. Udume ga sege. California, can be a daily petition boy. So legitimate nothing police we do to them. On your chocolate, not in your car. Mama was a fucking festival. So bro, I just watched this guy video and it just be like, say less now. What can I say? I've written this book. I hope this book is a nuclear weapon to torpedo the neo-colonialist weapon in Africa. With religion, I know if you do shit. But you see, if you just a simple solution, just better try. If you go fire, a fictional hot place in the ground. Is what I call it in the book. They fear fire when you live for air fire where they fish shoot. My Ibo for a free me for fear again at way we bo. Oh man, the Lord Gimma, Gimwabo, you wanna blog on more. You wanna there go diche. You know go better for you. Before you wanna the Lord Gimma, but Makano Makage. When I know if you stop African corruption today on Mwatata. African problems have African solutions.